Martin's from High, and Martin just explained the original process of where they were with the manufacture of the RTJ grooves, and where we've actually ended up with the development of specific tools, giving us cost savings on the initial tools that we were purchasing, along with a major improvement in the production timings of the manufacturing process.
Yep.
Right to say, Martin?
Yeah, we were given a task a few months back to produce so many RTJs, which is an impossible task considering how long they would take using CNCs in the past places I've worked. They would take roughly 20-25 minutes on a good day to produce one RTJ. We did not have that time scale. We had to make them a lot quicker. So I came up with the idea to do them on a manual vertical borer with a single tool produced by yourselves, superbly I may add, to just go straight in and straight out of the RTJ groove to produce a good finish, good size, and of course, most importantly for us at RTJ Pie, the speed was cut down from 20-25 minutes down to 5 minutes, if that, in cutting time, producing absolutely superb RTJs. Now, we have since produced 800 RTJs in the same process using minimum amount of tooling.
Excellent. Of course, the original process that you had, not only were you because you were interpolating with the milling cutter, the roughing and the finishing cutter, but surface finish obviously wasn't as good.
We struggled on the milling machines to produce a perfect circle. This has been eliminated by this process. Every RTJ that we've done has been checked by a Faro arm and given us unbelievable results within microns, and it's given us loads more time on the CNCs to go back to proper CNC production rather than milling out costly and time-wasting RTJs. Now we are doing them, and it's been unbelievable result. Something we will continue to do for the foreseeable future.
And I think the other advantage that we did have there wasn't any afterwork with this, because there was times where you had to actually have second operations with manual work, just literally trying to clean up those grooves.
Yeah, we were struggling to produce anything near what we wanted until we went to this process. Now we've gone to this process, there's no looking back. Huge success.
Fantastic. Well, thanks ever so much, Matt.
That's all right, Hans. Yeah, and thanks you. Thank you.
Excellent project.
Yep, it is. Yes, thank you.